You've seen the videos. You've cried at 8 a.m. over a baby monkey hugging a stuffed orangutan. But here's the question nobody's answered yet. Out of every country on Earth that fell in love with Punch-kun, which one loved him hardest? We're counting down, and the answer might surprise you. Quick refresher in case you've been living under a rock without Wi-Fi. Punch, full name Punch-kun, is a baby Japanese macaque born July 26, 2025, at Ichikawa City Zoo, just outside Tokyo. His mother rejected him almost immediately. Zookeepers stepped in, hand-raised him, and gave him something to hold on to. Literally. An IKEA orangutan plushie nicknamed Oran Mama. What happened next wasn't just cute, it was global. So let's rank the countries. 5th place to 1st. Grab your jungle skog, let's go. When IKEA realized their orangutan toy had become a worldwide symbol of comfort, they didn't just restock shelves in Japan. Store accounts across Morocco, Spain, and Mexico ran their own organic campaigns, each with completely different creative takes. Memes, local language captions, in-store displays. That's not corporate copy-paste. That's genuine local fandom showing up in the marketing. Punch content exploded across social platforms in Hong Kong and Singapore, feeding into IKEA's own regional campaigns there. These markets turned Punch into shareable, remixable content, the kind of internet culture that spreads because people can't stop passing it along, not because a brand told them to. Thailand earns bronze for one reason: Lisa. The Blackpink member and Shiseido global ambassador specifically requested to meet Punch during a work trip to Japan, then posted the visit to over 107 million Instagram followers. When one of the most famous women in the world holds a plushie orangutan and says she wanted to meet a monkey, that's not a viral moment. That's a cultural seal of approval. Thai fans, already primed by K-pop adjacent fandom culture, absorbed Punch into their orbit instantly. Here's where it gets interesting. English language media didn't just report on Punch, they made him a symbol. Forbes, People, NBC, Cosmopolitan, the LA Times, USA Today, outlet after outlet ran deeply personal essays about how a baby monkey's rejection story mirrored something in their own readers. "I am Punch," one Los Angeles Times headline read. The hashtag #HangInTherePunch became a rallying cry across English-speaking platforms, distinct from, but running parallel to, the Japanese original. This wasn't just news coverage. It was projection, empathy, and a whole lot of main character energy borrowed from a baby macaque. But first place was never really in question. Japan didn't just watch Punch's story, they lived it in real time. The hashtag #ganbare punch, hang in there punch, became a genuine national rallying cry. Visitors formed unprecedented queues at Ichikawa City Zoo, so long that staff had to publicly apologize for the wait. Zoo visitor numbers doubled year over year in February 2026 alone. When one video showed an adult monkey roughly dragging Punch across the enclosure, the zoo felt compelled to issue an official statement, not to a press office, but directly to a public that needed reassurance. Some fans online joked about forming a Punch-kun protection squad. Others said they'd fly to Japan just to see him. That's not fandom. That's a country adopting a monkey as one of its own. So there you have it. 5th to 1st, a genuine world tour of Punch love. From IKEA store managers going rogue with memes, to a Blackpink member with 107 million followers, to an entire nation rallying behind one small, orphaned macaque and his stuffed orangutan. Now it's your turn. Where are you watching from? Drop your country in the comments. Let's see if Punch's fandom map needs an update. And if you want more Punch-kun content the moment it drops, hit subscribe. He's not done growing up, and neither is this story.